Good morning, everyone, and happy Independence Day. So, let's start today's celebration.
तलवारों पे सारे वार दिए, अंगारों ने जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए, सो दर्द सहे महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू हम्म, हम्म, सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका ओ वतना वे मेरी वतना वे तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जा
A very happy Independence Day to all my dear friends, teachers, parents and relatives. As we all know that we are gathered here to celebrate our 74th Independence Day, and we also know that India got freedom on 15th August 1947. After getting freedom, after getting all the fundamental rights, Indian people call them independent people, freedom fighters. History of slave India. History of slave India reveals us everything how our ancestors and forefathers sacrificed their life for India. Our home country India. How? We can't imagine. We can't imagine how they sacrificed their life for our home country India. They have a lot of they have given us a lot of help in making India a freedom country. And some famous freedom fighters are Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. These famous freedom fighters sacrificed their life for the freedom of India. After a lot of years of development and independent, India is now on the right track of development. And after a lot time of independence, India is now one of the best country in the world, one of the best democratic country in the world. It ranks in the top list of the democratic country, and we should take a place. That we are working very hard and we will succeed. And we will succeed in making tomorrow's India better than today's India. And we have to take a place that India is our mother country, and we have to protect it from all the bad people. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hi friends, Happy Independence Day. Today Rohini from class 7th to decorate dish. Let's start. Method requires 2 bananas, some green chilies and some red chilies. And it splits banana these shapes we placed, and we want to some red chilies and it's placed. And other banana we want this shape. Yes, and We want some green chilies in under the bananas. It's paste. And some green chilies under this banana. Let's we make our dish. You see. Bye. Happy Independence Day.
I am Yashika Bansal from class 7th Euro. Let's celebrate the glory of free India and uphold the right and the pride of being an Indian. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you and have a nice day.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसके, ये गुलसिता हमारा.
Hello everyone, this is Ujjwal from 7th Euro and want to present a speech on occasion of Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. Furthermore, it is the most auspicious day for the sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. From the day onwards, 15th August become a very important day in Indian history and is the heart of every Indian. Also, the entire nation celebrates this day with the full spirit of patriotism. After the independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India. Moreover, he unfurled a tricolor flag at the Red Fort in the national capital New Delhi for the first time. From there onwards, every year we celebrate Independence Day at Red Fort, New Delhi. In addition, the army performs many tasks that also include a march past, cultural programs by school students. Also, in addition, we celebrate Independence Day to remember the lives that we sacrificed to gain this freedom, as they are the ones who struggle for our country. Furthermore, on this day, we forgot our differences and units as one true nation. So, importance of Independence Day celebration. We celebrate Independence Day on a vast scale in our country. Also, every government building is decorated with tricolor lights that are orange, white and green, just like the national flag. Furthermore, every official and hosting office staff, whether private or government, has to be present in the office for the flag hosting ceremony and singing our national anthem. Besides, there is a lot of other reasons to celebrate our Independence Day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
तुम्हें दिखाएं झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो, ये धरती है बलिदान की. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. उत्तर में रखवाली करता पर्वतराज विराट है, दक्षिण में चरणों को धोता सागर का सम्राट है. यमुना जी के तट को देखो, गंगा का ये घाट है, बात बात में हाथ में यहाँ निराला ठाठ है. देखो ये तस्वीरें अपने गौरव के अभिमान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो, ये धरती है बलिदान की. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. ये है अपना राजपुताना नाच, इसे तलवारों पे इसने सारा जीवन काटा, बरछी तीर कटारों पे। ये प्रताप का वतन पला है, आजादी के नारों पे कूद पड़ी थी हजारों पद्मिनियां यहाँ अंगारों पे। बोल रही है कन कन से कुर्बानी राजस्थान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। देखो मुल्क मराठों का ये यहाँ शिवाजी डोला था, मुगलों की ताकत को इसने तलवारों पे तोला था। हर पर्वत पर आग लगी थी, हर पत्थर एक शोला था, बोली हर हर महादेव की बच्चा बच्चा बोला था। शेर शिवाजी ने रखी थी लाज हमारी शान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। जलियांवाला बाग ये देखो यहीं चली थी गोलियां, मत पूछो किसने खेली थी खून की होलियां। एक तरफ थी बंदूकें दंदन, एक तरफ थी टोलियां, मरने वाले बोल रहे थे इनकलाब की बोलियां। यहाँ लगा दी थी बहनों ने भी बाजी अपनी जान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। ये देखो बंगाल यहाँ का हर चप्पा हरियाला है, यहाँ का बच्चा बच्चा अपने देश पे मरने वाला है। ढाला है इसको बिजली ने, भूचालों ने पाला है, मिट्टी में तूफान बंधा है और प्राण में इसके ज्वाला है। जन्मभूमि है यही हमारे वीर सुभाष महान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला है बसंती चोला। बस। I Dharma Mittal from class 7th Euro is wishing you happy Independence Day. जय हिंद, जय भारत।
तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है।
है मेरी जमी अफसोस नहीं, जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे।
हाँ मेरी जमी महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका।
ओ वतना में मेरे वतना में, तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं, कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। केसरी
ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे।
सिंहासन हिल उठे, सिंहासन हिल उठे, राजवंशों ने भ्रष्टकारी थी, भ्रष्टति तानी थी, बूढ़ी भारत में फिर से आई एक नई जवानी थी, आई एक नई जवानी थी। गुम हुई आज़ादी की कीमत उनने फिर से पहचानी थी, उनने फिर से पहचानी थी। फिरंगियों को दूर भगाने की सबने मन में ठानी थी, सबने मन में ठानी थी। चमक उठा सन 57, चमक उठा सन 57, वह तलवार बहुत पुरानी थी, वह तलवार बहुत पुरानी थी। बदहूर हर बोलों से हमने सुनी एक कहानी थी, हमने सुनी एक कहानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। A hearty and warm pleasant good morning to one and all present here. Today I am here to take part in a functions that is held in our RPS public school on an occasion of Independence Day. Today I will tell you all about Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai or Rani of Jhansi was maintained as Manu Bai. Manu Bai was known as Manikarnika. Manikarnika, you also listen her name so much. So, Manikarnika was born in Morupat Tambe and Bhagirathi Tambe in 19 November 1828. At the age of 3-4 years, she lost his mother and was thus brought up by her father alone. After the death of her mother, Manubai and her father shifted to Bithur and was lived with Peshwa Baji Rao II. Since childhood, she was inclined to weapons. She learned horse riding, verse fighting, sword fighting, martial arts, and master in. She was beautiful, intelligent, and as well as a brave girl. She was accompanied by Nana Sahib, who was son of Peshwa Baji Rao II. She had a great courage and presence of mind with Gangadhar Rao, who was Maharaj of Jhansi. In 1851, she got a son named as Damodar Rao, but unfortunately he died at 4 months only. And after it, Gangadhar Rao adopted a son in 1853. But unfortunately, soon he will die with illness and Dalhousie. And the General Governor denied this adoptions. Thank you and have a grateful Independence Day. I salute Rani Lakshmi Bai. She is a really great freedom fighter. I think you all also salute him. Happy Independence Day.
Hello everyone, I am Abhinav Kumar from class 7th Hero. I am here for a slogan, and the slogan is तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा by Subhash Chandra Bose. The literal meaning of this slogan is to give me blood and I will give you freedom. It was devised by Subhash Chandra Bose, affectionately known as Netaji, who was the founder of the Indian National Army. He urged the youth of India to participate in the freedom struggle through his own methods. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Abhinav from 7th Hero. I am here for a slogan, and the slogan is अब भी जिसका खून नहीं खोला, खून नहीं वो पानी है, जो देश के काम न आए वो बेकार जवानी है. By Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad had an extremely revolutionary ideology with respect to the freedom movement. He was popular amongst the masses by his self-taken name Azad. It was at young age that Azad joined the freedom struggle and participated in various violent movements. Thank you.
चलिए कुछ पुरानी यादें ताजा कर लेते हैं लास्ट ईयर की. So did you like it? Okay, so how was the program? Anyone want to perform anything? If you want to perform, then please write in chat box. Yes, Abhinav. It was funny. Tamanna, it was superb. Mayank, surprise. बेटा ये वीडियो ही सरप्राइज थी आपकी. Makshita, are you ready? Okay.
A very pleasant good morning to one and all present here. Today I am Akshita to present a poem on Independence Day. Some things can just be expressed in words. My eyes are little wet by saying the free flying birds. These are tears of happiness, seeing the birds flying up in the sky, thanks to the fearless leaders who faced it all, making tough times pass by. There may be many things can't be lived without, but freedom is what I cherish the most, without any doubt. Love can speak volumes even when words become less. Love for freedom of some has left us blessed with his freedom. These moments we share, let's learn to care for the people around us. Care for our nation is every possible way. Come, let us together wish our beautiful India a very happy Independence Day to all. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Makshita. Okay, thank you, everyone. Remembering our past is extremely important, but we also have to think about building our future. Let's do everything to keep our freedom and carry it through the years. Happy Independence Day, everyone. Thank you. Okay, goodbye, everyone.